Namaskar and welcome. I Yatharth Sikka. In the next few minutes, we'll be getting the top news of the last 24 hours. The National Investigation Agency probing the brutal murder of Kanhaiya Lal that took place on June 28, 2022 in Udaipur, Rajasthan has filed a charge sheet in the court. The 3,500-page charge sheet has made many new revelations. It is being told that a gang worked together in this brutal murder in which some Muslim neighbors of Kanhaiya Lal did his recce. It has also been claimed that the brutal murder was carried out at the behest of the Pakistani handlers. A special MP-MLA court has sentenced the senior Samajwadi Party leader Azam Khan and his son Abdullah Azam Khan for 2 years of jail in the 2008 case of blocking traffic and staging a protest on a highway after their vehicle was stopped for checking by the police in Moradabad. In a statement on February 13, the Jammu and Kashmir police informed that in a joint operation with the army, nefarious design of terrorists with the arrest of an associate from the proscribed terror outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed in Pulwama was done. The police also seized the huge cache of arms and ammunition from the accused possessions. In Chhattisgarh, former village head and a member of Bharatiya Janata Party of Hitamata village under the Basur police station limits Dantewada was brutally killed by Maoists on February 11. The incident occurred when the BJP-supported ex-village head was travelling from Murmurawada to Hitmeta when a group of 5 armed cadres of proscribed CPI Maoists hiked him to death near the Handawada waterfall of Dantewada. The slain BJP workers has been identified as Ramdhir Almi of Hitmeta. A political slugfest broke out between Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and NCP's Chief Sharad Pawar after one of the biggest political revelations by the Fadnavis came yesterday. He said that the NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar had a discussion to form a stable government with the Bharatiya Janata Party after Uddhav Thackeray's betrayal. Oath taken by Ajit Pawar as a deputy CM along with him was not a deception, clarified Fadnavis. BBC is the most corrupt corporation in the world. Its propaganda and Congress agenda go together, said BJP leader Gaurav Bhatia, adding that the income tax department is acting on their own. The United States has issued a warning to its citizens in Russia, asking them to leave the country immediately. The US attributed this to the war in the Ukraine and the risk of arbitrary arrest and the harassment by Russian law enforcement agencies. Meanwhile, Russia's Foreign Intelligence Service said on February 13 that it had received intelligence that US military was preparing Islamist terrorists to attack targets in Russia and former Soviet Union. Amid Congress criticism of the government over some remarks of its leader in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha having seen removed from the proceeding, Home Minister Amit Shah has said that this is not the first time when someone's comment made in Parliament have been expunged and 2 houses are a place to hold discussion under the rules of parliamentary language. BJP has no competition in 2024 Lok Sabha polls. PM Modi has full support of people, said Amit Shah, noting that there is marked positive change in the lives of people at the grassroots due to initiative of the centre. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has said that there is no competition for the BJP in 2024 Lok Sabha election and the people of the country are wholeheartedly moving with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. India's Priyanka Goswami and Akshadeep Singh qualified for 2024 Paris Olympics and World Athletics Championship 2023 after meeting the qualifying standard in the men's and women's 20-kilometer race walk respectively at the National Open Race Walking Championship 2023 in Morabadi, Jharkhand. Tamil Nadu BJP Chief K. Annamalai writes a letter to Chief Election Commissioner of India pertaining to alleging inaction by State Election Commission on a complaint regarding blatant abuse of power by DMK government in the Erode East Bengal. On need of indigenous in Predator drone acquisition project from US Navy Vice Chief Admiral S.N. Gormade says that still pursuing that project, we are looking at how it can be indigenized and whatever facilities can be built in India, it's a capability we require. Election and voting is not meant to be decided on very flimsy ground. It needs very serious deliberation to come to a conclusion that who should take up reins of power, said BJP National President JP Nadda in Kohima. In Haryana, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that it's a matter of pride that every 10th soldier in army is from Haryana. State is among top state in food production. There are very well educated panchayat in the state. We gave gas connection and toilet to every household, he said during a public meeting in Karnal. In Jammu and Kashmir, an old mortar bomb was found during construction work of a road in Shahpur village near LOC in Poonch district. The bomb was safely destroyed by army personnel. We will be back with news at 9 tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.